Let me get some of the others. Let me see who's not here. Just a moment. Just one moment. Just 1 minute. Right, let me join in late. Okay. Okay. Assalamualaikum everyone. Come, turn on your videos. Come. We're going to go straight into practice. All right. We're going to revise rate and percentage and most of all decimal. Okay. So here we go. Okay. You can see the screen. Okay. Let's. It is ratio. Ratio. Have you done ratio? Let me see. Okay. This is rate. Can you try rate, please? Number 22. Very strange. It's not really rate. It's a conversion. Sorry, there's a bird at the window. Okay, but they want you to put it only in liters. That means you have to use a decimal here. Only in liters. So how do you do that?
You.
2, 3 now is too big, Putri. Putri, you need to use a decimal point. Yeah, well done. Okay, what about the rest?
Sure, is this decimal?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Farish, can you send your answer, Farish? You know what to do, Farish?
Can I try?
Yeah, but don't say it out. I'm gonna rest. I'm not received. I only received from my sister. Just send your answer in the chat. Shalina, you know how to
Sure.
do?
Is it?
Wrong. Sister's one is correct.
I say, is it times?
No, okay. So, all right. Maybe I do not know the rest. They'll be slow, so we'll do it together. Okay. Down here, there's 2 liters. Now remember, 1 liter. Oh no, sorry. Cannot be. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. Yes, Farish, well done. Now, those of you who do not know what it is, you can take a bottle. Let's say the Pepsi bottle or whatever it is. You see, small one is like 500 milliliters. So there's already 2 liters. They added some more water. So you plus, you get like that. But how to change it into liters? This one into liters. Divide by 1,000. So you do it like this.
Sure.
Yeah.
I need to take things for a while.
Yeah, take. Okay, Farish, you got it right. What about the rest? Nah, you must do it like that. Why? Must divide by 1,000 to change it to liters. So cancel 2 zeros, you get 2 and 2 over 10, or 2 and 1/5, or you can change it to 2.2, 2.2 liters. Okay, are we okay now? Shafia, you know what this is? Yes, Shafia, you okay? You look a little bit not okay. A little bit stoned. It's okay, yeah? What you say? Okay, I hope it's okay. We'll give you another question then. I want you to change this one now to
Copy first.
what is it?
See first.
See first. Okay, let us see now. Can you change this to liters? Same thing, but can you change it to liters? Huh? You try. Okay. Come, send in your answers, please. Shalina, you know what to do, Shalina? Well done, Farish. Okay, once you are okay, can you go to question 29? Okay, those of you have no problem, move to question 29. 23, sorry. 29, 23. Okay, those are Shafia almost there, but different number, a little bit wrong. Very simple. You can change it to liters. Okay, Putri, just a moment. Well done, Kashrel. Now you just need to put 500 over 1000. And then you can cancel 2 zeros, cancel 2 zeros. So you get cancel 2 zeros. 3, 5 over 10. 3, 5 over 10 is what? 3.5 lah. 3.5 liters. That means this one is one area I need to check. Okay, we move on to the next one. Question 23. 23, yeah. For Putri alone, you can do question 24. Putri alone. The rest all 23, please. Farish can do that. 23 cannot do. Just divide into 4 parts. This ribbon is divided into 4 parts, equal parts. Just divide it into 4 parts.
Well, they ask in meters.
Yeah, this okay. Then later divide your answer by 100. Okay, from cm, you do in cm first. Later on, you do it you convert to meters. Do in cm first, later convert to meters. Well done, Putri. Shafia, come. Shafia, focus, Shafia. You don't have much time, Shafia. Then after that, you say, wait. I shouldn't be waiting if you're doing other things. Come, everyone. Very simple, very simple. Question 23 only, yeah? Putri, can you do 25, Putri? Only the faster one, I'll ask them to do other questions. So now for everyone, 23 only. Oh, well done, Mr. Farish. Farish, your answer is correct. You move on to 24. Putri, your answer for 23 is supposed to be in meters, not cm. Can you change your answer from cm to meters? Divide by 100. Well done, Farish. The force. is with you. You have absolute power. That's Kermit the Frog. Well done, Shalina. But Shalina, can you change from cm to meters by dividing further by 100? Divide your answer by 100. Well done, Putri. Putri, question 25. Shafia, you just need to divide by 4. The ribbon is divided into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. Just take the number and divide. Now, those of you who are not so sure how to divide.
I can.
Okay. Naomi, not minus 4, Naomi. Divide by 4, Naomi. Divide by 4. Well done, Farish. You can go further to question 25. It is a competition between Mr. Faris and Miss Putri Karisa. Who will win? And the
How
winner
about me?
will be you. The winner will be you. I believe in you because you have special specs now.
Thank you.
I saw that in Mission Impossible.
Okay.
Yeah. Like for example, if you look at Shafia now, she looks upside down to you, but it's not true. Sorry, I need to chase away the birds.
Hey, Kaka, this one, if I equal how?
Hey, how come you tell everyone? So Putri, you got your answer correct for one of the animals. What you are giving is what, but they didn't ask you that actually. They asked you now how many more cats than dogs were brought there. You have given a number of cats. Mr. Putra, your answer is correct for cm. But now as you can see, but it's in meters. So divide your answer by 100 again. Yes, you must divide by 100.
Wait. You means when I get the answer, then I divide by 100.
Yeah, your answer is correct. The one you give me.
Okay.
Okay, the next one now. Shafia, why are you upside down, Shafia? I am a bat. They call me bad girl. BAD or BAT?
Oh, I know the answer already.
Okay, you write down.
Okay.
Shalina, are you okay, Shalina?
So can you move out a bit?
Okay, hold on. I move the other way. Shalina, you know how to do? Okay, Shalina, can do?
Now correct?
Yes, now it's correct. Oh, Shalina, 262. Okay. All right, here we go now. We divide. Those of you who can't divide, divide now. Here we go. First one can divide, 4 cannot. 10, yes, you get 8. Shalina, watch. You get 2 over here. Minus, you get 2, you bring down the 4, right? Hold on. Now just a moment. Is this someone? Okay, so same thing again. You got 24. 24 can divide by 4, you get 6. Now the next number, Shalina, you have a dot. You must put a dot here before you do 8. 8 divided by 4, you get 2. So your answer is 26.2 cm. This is in cm. You cannot write it down as the answer because this is in meters. Shalina, are you okay, Shalina? Why you look so sad, Shalina? You just gotten scolded by someone. No, right?
No.
Okay. No. Oh, you scolded her. You bad boy. Don't be a Georgie Poji. Okay, now here we go now. 1, 2. Shift, Shalina, and the rest 1, 2. So your answer will be
0.262.
Yes, well done to Mr. Putra. Okay, Shalina, okay? Shafia, you okay? Shafia also now looks sad. Why? Because you stopped me from talking to my family members. I did not mean to. But nevertheless, you did. Okay, let's see. All right, let us see now. Akil to everyone. Akil to me. Is 24/7 or 20? Okay. 24 it is Let's see. Okay, so you found a difference. Okay, okay. If you are doing question number 24, actually you don't need to do 24. But okay, if you are doing 24, let's say we do all this. You times by 5. You times by 5. Farish, I'll come back to you in a moment. This one you times by 4. You times by 4. And what do you get? 15. Yeah. Okay, so you got 7 out of 20. Well done. But now you must change it to percentage. All you need to do, Mr. Shakil, is times by 100. Then you'll get the answer. 10 divided by 2, 5. 7 times 5, 35%. Okay, we move on to the next question. Don't do question 25 yet. Question 25 is Farish. Let me see whether you're right or not.
Sure.
I think your answer is not correct. Okay, we'll come to both of you later. Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
What is
Sorry.
SPCA?
Singapore Prevention of Cruelty to Animals.
Whoa. Come you know.
Because last time when I was in Bartley Secondary, SPCA was right
Bali.
beside. Not Bali. Bali is a type of seed you can drink. And then
No.
Bartley. Yeah. Bali is different. So that was the place I walked. Did I tell you my dunk story I told, right?
No. What? That story?
The one I pooped in the pants. I did not tell.
No.
No.
Better not tell her.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Raidi. Welcome here. Welcome back. Okay, here we go now. For Farish and Putri, I will go back to question 25 later. Okay, can we try question 29? Yes, Mr. Raidi, I can hear you.
Which subject you doing?
We are doing now 29. We are doing decimals. We are revising.
Sure.
Yes.
Why do Ryder look so different?
Because he has a new haircut and he is what we call handsome now. You can call him handsome.
I still have the same hair.
Yes. See?
What for the wind doesn't leave my hair change?
Wow. You had a haircut, is it?
No. What? No.
No. Okay. So long as don't go for a head cut. Head cut is different from a haircut. Shalina, okay, Shalina, you look a little still. I'm a well-behaved girl, that's why. Okay. You know what's coconut oil? Okay, you have coconut oil for cooking. Some people use on the hair. Yes, hair coconut oil. Yes, many Indian from India they use coconut, and their hair is quite good. But maybe it might smell lah. Some people might not like coconut oil smell. But for us, we consume coconut. No. Okay. Come on, very quickly. Come on, very quickly. Someone has given an answer then. Okay, Putri, let's see whether you're right. Putri, this question number. Putri. I've not gotten that. Okay,
Is it correct, sir?
Okay, I'm.
That is wrong.
Wait, just a moment.
Is this
What?
times?
Yeah, there's times involved. There's
Okay,
minus
thank
involved.
you.
Oh, this guy.
One.
Chill.
Yes. Raidi, okay. Putri and Farish, your answer is the same. Raidi, your answer is close to their answer, but it's different. Yes, Raidi, what you want to say?
Later you have a class with my brother, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because today is actually his birthday.
Okay, so we don't, he's not coming, is it?
No, he is.
You what?
I don't know what to tell you, so you can either surprise him, you know.
Okay, thank you very much. I will surprise him. But how do I pass him? I just pass him a virtual present?
No. Just say,
No. You
happy birthday,
answer
'cause
him
his
why
birthday was yesterday. Then my friend called me. I mean on Friday my friend called me, right? You know what he do?
What did you do?
He said that I told him that I was at my grandma's house on Friday, right? You know what he said?
What?
Social gathering, I called police.
Oh. Okay, Raidi, you check your answer, Raidi. Well done to Ms. Putri and Farish. Ready? Check your answer. Kakak Inshira's birthday also. Allahu Akbar. Everyone's birthday. What is it? 161175. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Okay, those of you who have completed question 29, your answer is correct. Well done. Answer is correct. Well done. We are waiting now for the rest of them. And yeah, I think we will stop down here. Okay, I'm going to move on shortly here. Okay, we give you another 2 minutes more. Meanwhile, Farish versus Miss Putri for mental calculation. Are you ready? 9 times 17. The rest, please complete question 29.
9 times 17.
Yeah, don't tell. You said, okay, well done, Miss Putri. Type in your answer lah. Type in your answer.
153. Sir.
Hey, you're doing question 29. Okay? Yes.
Yeah, I done 29.
Yes.
I done
Farish.
29.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
I thought 9 times 17 you said
Okay, 153 is correct.
The
Okay,
answer is 153.
okay.
I was going to say.
Actually, you're supposed to give the answer on the chat. Otherwise, it becomes a chaos. Okay, here we go now. We're going to run through this one.
Okay.
I thought
Am I
Putra is
correct?
going to give answer for 29, but he did not. Yes, 153 is correct. Now, bought 10 liters of coconut oil. So take 10 times 105. Now, how to do this? You don't need to times. You just shift the decimal place. Shift 1. You get $10.50. That's it. And then he bought 1 tin of olive oil. Olive oil is $15.35. You add them together. What do you get? Mr. Riley, down here you get $25.85. $25.85.
And then you minus.
Minus the 100 minus 25.85, you will get the answer to be
$74.15.
$115. That's
Yes,
it.
it was correct. It was correct. My other answer was
No, you put
correct.
70. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I saw it. Next one. So, Kusna Shafia, got to check yours. How do you get that? I'm not too sure. But perhaps you got it by, you didn't add this with a straight line. You may have added it like that. So please check. Those of you add this like that, it will go haywire, you know.
Sure.
If you add like that, then you might have 16 down here, 3. I do not know how it's done. Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
My sister taught me a picture for like, you know how those like let me try, right? Like,
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right.
1.50 times 1.
What are you eating?
You just break it up.
Oh, well. 10 and 8.
Hmm?
Okay. Good.
Okay.
And you times the 8 and then you will get 20 times by 10.
Can. You can take 1.5 times 10, then 1.5 times 8, then you plus together. That's sometimes what I do mentally. Yes.
What are you doing? You're doing like this. To you. Like,
Oh, sorry. I was eating something called Bubu ice cream. Okay.
whoa.
I'm so sorry because I've been teaching the whole day, so I needed to have something to motivate myself to smile. Because every lesson is like a performance, you know. Sometimes you see me talking like a. Okay, we try now this one now.
me hungry, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. Wait, will you give me your address? I'll send by Grab virtual ice cream. Virtual ice cream to everyone. Then eat virtually. Okay, come. 318. Convert to 2 decimal places and go. Those of you who are confused, just take 1 divided by 8. Okay. 1 divided by 8. Then you find. What's so fast? Wow. Well done. Did the lady use a calculator?
No. She is mental, sir.
Yeah, not the lady. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to your sister.
Yeah, I know.
But I'm Mr. Handsome. I will answer everything for my sister. No one goes to my sister except to me. Well done, ready?
Handsome.
Handsome, huh?
I can see.
Hey, don't waste time, Putra. We're waiting for you.
I know the answer already.
What's your answer?
Okay, wait. Let me send.
Righty, well done. Farish, can you? Shalina, you okay? Akil, all right? Shafia?
Okay,
So, Putra, well done. So now,
thank you.
But that's not the, you see, none of the answers is here. So you must convert to the nearest 2 decimal places. So how to do
The
that?
answer is number 2.
Okay, well done. So, but I'm not saying it's right or wrong, it's just well done. Okay, those of you who say the answer is number 2, let us see now. Okay, even Farish also say answer is number 2. So they say convert to the nearest 2 decimal places. How to do this? 1, 2. Look at the next digit. If the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, in this case you have to plus 1.
The answer is number 3.
Number 3, 3.13. Farish, you get it? Shalina,
What?
you know how to do, Shalina?
Hi,
I know.
3.13.
Yeah. Yes, 3.13, because can you see the answer here when you divide it, you get 3.125, right? Just now. So 2 decimal places, you can 1, 2, look at the next digit. If the number here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you must plus 1 here. So you plus 1 and cut the other numbers out. So now we're going to give you a question here. Can you convert to the nearest 2 decimal places? Because some of you are still not so clear. You have to be clear. This is actually P4 work. You need to master this. All right, I want you to convert to the round off to the nearest 2 decimal places. Okay, 2 decimal places, and the number is 2 decimal places. Don't say out the answer. Don't say out the answer. Just put in the chat, please. Well done, Raidi. Raidi is the first one. Well done, Farish. Putri. Okay, these 3 have shown that they understand. What about Putra and the brother? Shafia, what are you doing, Shafia? You're talking to others. You seem to be talking to others. Then after you tell me not to go on to the next question. No way. I'm no longer going to wait for you because you're not focusing. Come. Shalina, can do, na Shalina? Shakil?
Sure.
Okay, Putra, we want 2 decimal places. So where's 2 decimal places? Putra, it's not the last 2. You must count from down here. 1, 2. Then look at the next one here. If this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you plus 1, but this is none of them. So leave it as 3, 8, 15.38. We have to go to the next one. Shalina, you know what to do? Shalina, you know how to do? Okay, again, 2 decimal places again. We want 2 decimal places. Round off to new.
Around
2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. Okay, the first answer has not come in. The first answer has come in. Mr. Farish, congratulations. First one to
wait, change to what?
round off to 2 decimal places.
Okay, that one is ready.
So done.
Well done. Farish is Putri, yes, also correct.
My internet is unstable.
No problem. Okay, Raidi correct. Putri correct. Shalina correct. We were waiting for Putra, Shafia, and Akil. Can you all do it? Nayumi. Okay,
Sir,
yeah.
my brother's playing around, sir.
I know.
He's
Sometimes
not focusing.
students are playing around. Sometimes they turn off the video. I don't know. Sometimes they can only see the head. We also do not know what they're doing. I have so many different students like that. So we hope that they take it seriously. Here we go now, brother Putra. 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Again, I use another one now.
Okay, let's
1,
do.
2. Okay, now do you plus 1 or not?
Plus 1.
Okay.
Because if 5 and above, you must plus 1. If
Well done.
4 and below, must plus 1. Minus 1. Got nothing.
Nothing, don't minus 1, please.
No, when I was like before my teacher keep my teacher in told my teacher
Mhm.
wrote a song, or he
Okay, can you sing that song if you don't mind?
no.
That means your teacher didn't write the song. lah.
Sure.
Search on
My-
YouTube.
When
No, it's like it's like
sure.
boom
Yeah.
boom.
Okay.
We will around you.
Is it? Your
Yeah,
teacher did that?
Yeah.
Really?
Then after that it was like
Sure.
5 or more you some race, and then
Sure.
4 or less you let it
Sure.
rest or something like that.
Okay, okay. All right,
Sure.
come. Yes, Mr. Putra, yes.
When I was P5, right?
Yeah. No.
When I'm in P5, when I was learning decimal, then my teacher give us a rhythm.
Okay, what's the rhythm?
They say like this: 1 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, come out with the vibe. Itulah.
1 to 4, stay on the floor.
Ah,
Means you don't plus 1. 5 to 9,
climb up
climb up the what?
the something vibe. Something.
Oh, okay. So climb up to the next setting. Okay, come. Question number 8 and question number 9. This is decimal for question number 8, rounding off for question number 9. Wow, okay, someone
What
has
question we do?
question 8 and 9. 8 and 9. There's only 8 and 9. Okay.
So can you move on top?
Move it to the top.
Move top. Yeah. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. Sorry, let me.
For now, question number 8.
Okay, just a moment.
Okay.
This is now question number
I'm
8.
sure I'm done with 1 and 2.
Hold on.
Wait, I'm gonna do 10. I'm gonna do 10.
Okay, here are those who got it correct. Mr. Nobody for question number 8. No one got it correct for question number 8. So yes, Putri, yours
What?
become 1 kg. You know, how come become 1 kg? There's 17 kg here. All you need to do is to divide the the grams by 1,000. So, okay, we will stop for a while. Farish has gotten it correct. Okay. All right, so we just show you, okay?
Oh, wait. I think I know the answer. I know
Okay,
the answer.
never mind. Now, you can change, no problem, but I want to show you this. Now, if you have grams, you want to change to kg.
Done.
Let's say now you got 60 grams. You want to change to kg. You just divide it by 1,000. So you get down here 6 over 100, right? So it's 6 over 100. You can write it as decimal.
0.06.
Yes. So if you get 1 kg and 60 gram, you put 1.06.
6.
You don't need to do anything to the 1 kg.
I see.
Okay, one more time. I will try this one now. Okay. You can just say out the answer if you know the answer. Here we go.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
And
Go.
2.0.
China 2.05.
See the screen.
okay, let us see whether
2.05.
okay, so let us see whether you're
See the
correct.
screen, to pin you now.
Okay, hold on. So down here now 50, you divide by 1,000. And then what you get? You get 5 over 100. 5 over 100 is 0.05. How do you know? Because there's 2 zeros here, there must be 2 places here. Put the number here. Now there's a 2 in front. Put the 2 now, 2.05 kg. So we're going to try again the other question, all right? Let's see whether you get it correct. Okay. Well done, Putri. Well done, Raidi. Well done, Farish. Farish, you can move on to the next question. A rate question.
Yeah, correct. Number 9.
Number 9. Yes, Putri, well done.
Me?
Raidi, is it? Raidi, when you round off to the nearest 10,000, all the numbers less than 10,000 become 0. I repeat, Raidi. All the numbers.
I think I did a mistake.
Can you send your answer again? Yes, Raidi. Well done. Well done, Putri. Very fast. Did you do it mentally or use a calculator or use paper and
She do it
pencil?
very mentally, Cha.
Oh, you're so observant.
I know I can solve her.
You really respect your sister. That's very good.
Done, sir. Done.
Raidi, well done,
Respect,
Raidi. What about Farish? Can you do question? Oh, Farish, I've done. Well done. So, Farish. Okay, so now for this one, we start with this one first. Very simple. Shalina, what happened, Shalina? I don't see your answers here. I hope your chat is working. First, just divide this by 1,000. So divide by 1,000, you can straight away change this into decimal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh, sorry, sorry. This thing doesn't want to. What happened to this? Hold on, I need to find
Restart.
No, don't restart. Down here. Okay, so there's 3 zeros, right? So have 3 blanks here. Put the dot on here. 55, put it to the last blanks. Down here, put 0. So this is 0.055. But you have now 17 there. So this becomes 17.055. Now the next one now. How to express this to nearest 10,000? You must identify which one is 10,000. So we ask Mr. Putra. Putra, which digit is in the 10,000 place? Is it 6, 7, or 8?
The answer is. Wait.
No. Which digit is in the 10,000 place? Is it 6, 7, or 8?
What?
Which digit is in the 10,000 place?
Which one?
Yeah, I'm asking you. Is it digit 1, digit 7, digit 4, digit 3, digit 5? Some of the digits that I read out not there. I want to see whether you're paying attention or not. Okay, which digit is in the 10,000 place?
Wait.
Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Put the arrow to the next one. Do you plus 1 or not? Mr. Putra, do you stay on the floor or you do climb up the vibe?
You stay on the floor.
Hey, this is 5 lah. Hello, you tell me 5. Okay.
Stay. Hey, climb.
So 1, 5. Is the answer 15?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
This
Yes.
for
Aduh.
okay.
Put the zeros at the back.
Must put the zeros at the back. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't put the 0, can you imagine from 145,000 jadi $15?
But you can.
Wow.
So now you're at 150,000. Yes. Yes.
Look in chat. I did something illegal.
You did something in dribble.
Illegal.
Illegal in the chat. Yes. What is that? It's blank. Okay. We will move on to the next few questions. Okay. Here we go. I do not know whether the rest are you all able to do or not. Because only some are answering. Shalina, well done, Shalina. Okay. Okay. Great. So now, hold on. Let us see. I need to revise illegal thing.
Yes.
Okay, you want to do what illegal thing you want to do?
No.
Don't do illegal stuff. Like your mom won't allow.
True.
But Raidi is saying, okay, here. Okay, here I think you are allowed to use your calculator, I think. Section C. Okay, you can use your calculator for this one. And go.
that was cool.
Cool. Well, that is my spinner. Later, I'll show you how I spin myself. I showed it to your sister. Should I show them my revolution, my spinning on the bed? Yes.
You show me.
I showed you already.
Huh? Maybe.
Well, I showed you.
I don't know. Wait.
Sure.
Yes. Yes.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh, yeah. I showed you on Wednesday, right?
No.
Last Wednesday, no.
No, I have to redo.
Okay, please redo. We are waiting for the answers. All right, Putri has said it's 320 km, is it? 23 km. Well, let us see whether you're right. No, I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm saying let's see whether you're right.
I remember it's very bad.
And I need to.
352.5.
Sorry? Done. What's your answer? Righty is also 323 km. Okay, what about the rest? What about the rest? Yeah.
When we see something like that like it's quick to do.
That's what? Quick to do.
No, high.
Hard to do.
Like to type.
Like what? I don't. You mean on the chat, is it?
Yes.
Okay, you
I'll
try.
show you it. I'll show you.
Okay. But I hope you don't cause yeah. That's okay, carry on.
It's not something illegal.
Okay, so okay, we're gonna get you to challenge Putri in a moment. Mental calculation. Let's see.
Wait. Takkan. Just wait.
Wow, very nice. How do you do this?
Confirm I did not took it for my friend.
But do you copy and paste, is it? No, right?
Confirm I did not save it on my clipboard. It's my phone.
Okay, well done. Okay, for Farish, Putri, and Raidi, both of you have the same answer, and your answer is correct. So we are going to get the three of you to challenge 11 times tables. Here we go. We hope Mr. Putra will be able to concentrate on question number 18 instead of giving the answer to the mental challenge. Here we go. 11 times 23.
11 times 23. 11 times 23.
Okay, 253. Well done. Okay, now here we go now. 71
253.
Well done. 71 times 11.
Imagine he used calculator.
What?
71 times 11.
71 times 11.
Well done, Putri. You're the fastest.
78.1. 78.1.
781.
Okay, well done. Okay, now we got to go through this one now, and then I'll show you. I do not know whether I should show you the video. There's nothing to do with our. But anyway, I should show. Okay, it's charged $7.70.50 a day. So what do? We need to times 70/50 by 5. And what do you get, Putri? When you times by 5?
What do you get?
3.
You don't know.
5. 3. 352.5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is now the rental cost. So this company, they don't just you don't need only to pay for the rent per day. You must also pay for how many kilometers you travel, and they calculate $2 per kilometer. So let us first of all take 998, because this is what you paid, minus 352.5. What do you get? Putri, can you just double check, Putri? 646, right?
Yeah.
646. So this $646 is for the kilometers. So you divide this kilometers this by $2 because it's $2 1 km, and you will get 343 km. Now I do not know.
Echo.
Yeah, because both of you are sitting close to each other. I think.
No, it's you.
Okay. I know. Echo.
No. When you are speaking normally, there's
Yes.
echo.
Echo, yes. Echo means the tail. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to show you what I did the other day that I went to the staycation. Right? And this is what I do. Maybe you want to do the same thing. I think I might be telling you the bad thing. So
Okay.
let me just show you anyway. This
Hurry
is
up.
now. Hold on now. This is now. Let me. I gotta search my son.
You steal toilet paper from the hotel room.
No, I don't do that. Okay, here we go.
Mario question mark box. You know Mario? Yeah.
Okay.
You know Mario?
Can you see this? Okay,
Yeah.
this is me now, and we are in a very
It
untidy.
doesn't look like you.
Okay, now maybe you might see nothing. I'm trying to discover whether I can fly or not. And then I realized I can do the egg roll on the bed. And this is what I do all the time when I go to the hotel, and I don't do it at home. So I'm
Play again.
Every
Huh?
time I go
Every
to
Play
time-
it again.
no,
Play
every time I go to hotel, I check whether there's a bathtub or not.
Oh,
Me too.
in this
Hotel?
case, there's
I
no
just-
tempat cebok in the hotel, so my son cebok inside the bathtub. So
Monkey.
beware when you go and bathe in the bathtub next time.
So who was that black color shirt?
That's my son. Which one?
Bruh.
Yeah, it's my son. My two sons.
What's that
Oh,
black
you got
color shirt?
Which one? Which one? Okay.
Floating guy.
This one. This one is my son, my youngest son.
So you have an elder son which is older than you. He looks
He's more taller than you.
10 years younger than you.
The
Yeah.
oldest child.
Okay, so I have the eldest child, I have the youngest child. Okay, both of them are in their 20s. Okay, come.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh.
Yes. What?
Which hotel do you go?
I think they brought me to Mandarin.
Mandarin?
Mandarin what?
Chinese.
No. It's the Singapore hotel. Mandarin something. Mandarin Orchard, is it? It's in Orchard.
Is it expensive?
I don't know because they paid for it. I did not pay. They just belanja
How
me.
many days?
Just one day only.
Huh?
It was the day. It was the day I was born, 51 years ago. So they brought me.
One.
Birthday.
Yes, I am.
My birthday.
I am an old man now. Okay, I tell you, my voice is now old man now.
Don't bully her.
Yeah.
Happy,
Hey,
My
Putri.
feelings.
Hey, Putri, I don't bully old man.
When, how old are you?
I am 51.
51 ah. Okay,
Ah.
so 20.
Okay, so we do now a question about. Okay, round off
1970.
to the nearest 100. You know, 100 is where 1 stands, 100 is here, you know. So look down here. Do you plus 1? Yes. So now I'm nearest 100. I'm 100 years old already. Okay.
Oh my god.
So that's why I feel very old. On the day my birthday, I just cried and cried.
How old are you? How old are you?
To the nearest 100 or what?
How old are you?
To the nearest 100, I'm 100
Sure.
years old. But if not 51.
You are born in 1970.
Yes. Yes, I am.
My grandpa born before you.
Right.
As I told you when I went to the
1970.
happy 1970, when I was in the hotel, I just cried and
Wait,
cried.
why you never go to hospital?
Go hospital? Why? See, all old people must go hospital.
To see where you were born.
Walau, you just bully me.
Because that's the place
Why
you
you
were born to.
cry at hotel, Cher?
What? What?
Why you always cry at hotel?
What? Because this is my birthday, I become the nearest to the
I don't
nearest 100.
understand why birthday need to have cake.
Sure.
Because okay, in this case, birthday reminds me of death day lah.
Oh. Birthday reminds me of me in the hospital crying and looking
Yeah.
like an alien.
Yeah. Looking alien. What has alien? Okay, come. Let's try this one now. Okay, here we go. Come. Here we go. What is this guy? He's drawing a Spider-Man, Scarlet. Oh, you get all these low key, high key, no key.
Whoa.
I do not know this.
You guys want? I can send in chat. You guys copy. Okay, I send to everyone. Sure.
Okay, you can send. I thought you already sent to everyone.
No.
No, you just sent to me.
Yes.
Okay. Captain Marvel.
Whoa.
I even have Goffrey. I have Loki. I
Yeah, you do.
Heck.
Okay, come. Let's go to this one. All right, which number is the great? You try. Here we go.
Cool.
Cool. What about your Mission Impossible specs?
Mine is even cooler.
Yeah, even cooler. Okay.
What specs? What?
The Mission
Science
Impossible
is even
specs.
cooler.
Science is even cooler.
Yes, because you get to learn about your liver and everything.
Ah.
No. Is it biology about your human body? I think.
Yeah. Biology about human body, about yes.
You can learn about your mitochondria.
What's your favorite music? Like pop or something? What is your favorite music?
What numbers is the greatest?
Okay. Favorite, favorite music was not around.
7:30. Okay,
Too
7:30. 7:30 at night. Okay.
Okay, come. Let's focus on this one. Send your answers to the thing.
Wait. Is it only until 3 decimal place?
Which one?
The one.
Question 1.
Is it only until 3 decimal place?
You can see up to 3 decimal.
Oh, then it's 4.
No, it's 3. Oh, then it's 4. Okay, up to you. You try to see whether it is.
Okay.
Okay,
Then
so
I have
Righty, check your answer for question number 3. Question number 1, sorry.
4.
Okay.
In 5.642.
Hey, please, Mr. Farish, you are telling everyone the answer. Send it in. Okay, Shalina, well done. Putri, well done for question number 1. Righty, you got to check your answer for question number 1. For question number 2, here we go. Question number 2. Answer key has a mistake. Question number 2. So question number 2. Okay. Putri is correct. Shalina, please check. For question number 2. What about Farish? Where's your question number? Send the answer, Farish.
I'm correct for number 1 now.
Question number 2, Farish, is not correct. Number 1. No, number 1 is not correct. So you can do for number 1, you can do the Farish method. Farish says, what's the maximum number? So I said 3. So you can put to 3 figures here. 3 down here. So you can see 700, 730, 703, 731. So 731 is the highest, biggest. So question number 2, what is...
So I don't have for not 1.
Sorry? You put 1 is wrong. What? They want the greatest. So it must be 4.
I know question number 2.
The 1,
Okay.
1.4, that one.
Yeah.
Then I change my answers.
Okay. So, okay then. No problem. Question number 2. You must identify the one. So we ask Putra, where's the one, Putra? Is it 5, 6? Which one? Okay, so very few people get question number 2 correct now. Question, Putra, which one is in the ones place?
What?
Which digit is in the ones place?
I didn't say my answer.
Your answer, I do not want your answer. Your answer is wrong. Tell me where's the ones place. See, there's a way to escape, you know. Since I said my answer already. Come on, tell us where is the ones place. Which
5.
one? Well done. Kakak tell you.
No.
So this is now, okay, Putra, if this is ones, what's the next one?
10.
Then this one will be?
Hundreds.
Then you must write 100. Huh? Why you write? Tell me the answer is something.
I see. Salah kira.
Okay, you know how to check, okay? All right, the next one now, we're going to check your answer number. We're going to check. Let me see. Akhil, which one is, which number is that? If it's number 2 is wrong. If it's number 3, let me check. Huh? Number 3 is also wrong. So let us see which number is that. Putra, that's for question number 3, is it?
Yes. Is it correct or wrong?
If I tell you it's wrong, you just choose another number.
No. Just tell me.
It's wrong.
Okay.
Wait. Righty, what's your answer, Righty?
4.
You send ready?
4.
You send your answer there.
For which question?
There's only one more question. We have not gone to question number 3. What's your answer, Righty? You just say it out.
Oh, wait, let me find it. I'm old.
I saw LOOL. LOL.
Who wrote that?
I think you wrote it. Putra, it cannot be 3 lah, Putra.
Wait. Salah type.
Never mind, sir. I do this mentally again. 2.
Okay, 2. Okay, we do. We are looking at question number 3. Yeah. Now, question number 3, if you look at it carefully, you will know that it cannot be 3 and 4. You know why, right?
Yes.
Because this is only 83 km. Don't say 830 km. This is 83 km. This one is out. This one is out. You know, 830 km, you know how far it is? This is like from here to Thailand, you know.
Oh,
Quite far.
it's one.
It's one, okay. So how to do this?
It's one.
Very simple. How to change to km to meters? K means stands for kilo. Kilo means 1,000. So times by 1,000. 1,000 is 3 zeros. Shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, 70. This one is the one. The one they put across is the right one. Eh?
Wait.
If it's 7, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. 83.007. Then this is this. But this is 07.
There you go, Cho. I help you finish it up. You said the cancel one is correct, so I help you. Cancel one correct.
Okay, I hope the rest.
On the wrong one.
Yeah, so here, this is the answer. Again, you just times by 1,000. All right, we move on to the next one and move on to the next one. Let's see. We have only 33 minutes. I hope you are able to master some of these skills.
33 minutes. So little.
Okay, yeah, so little. Okay, here we go. We do question number 7. 7, huh? Because the focus mainly is decimal.
So why never do number 6?
Because the focus today is decimal. I need to know.
I'm blind.
That one also the small one.
Is it decimal?
Yes. See?
Oh yeah, it's decimal. Oh, okay, but never mind. We do this one first.
I cannot see a single thing. I need to unlearn like.
Please do, please.
I confirm not in progress. My eyes hurt. I don't know why.
Okay, well done, Raidi. Well done, Putri. What about the rest? Putri and Raidi, you can do the next question, okay? You try question number 8, but the rest don't do it. Only Putri and Raidi and anyone who completes question number 7.
I forgot. The way you taught us, is it just like times 100, right? For
yeah.
Percentage, just times 100, right?
Any who's that thing? Yeah, any fraction or decimal to change to percentage just times by 100. But in this case, yeah, you make it into a fraction and then you times by 100. Make his allowance over total. Come on, Farish, for question. Okay, well done, Farish. Farish, you move on to question 8 also.
Divided or times?
Always times by 100.
Thank you, sir. This one answer already.
Okay. Maybe you can mute yourself because you know I think I can hear background noises. I do not know what is. Someone is beating someone. I don't know.
No.
Maybe someone is
family visiting. Confirm. I don't want to get plus shock hit of my police, you know.
Okay, Raidi, which one is this? Number. Oh, okay, thank you. What about? Okay, well done, Raidi. What about Putri? What's the answer for question number 8? The rest we are going to go through very soon. What's your answer for question number 7, Miss Shalina, Mr. Akil, and Shafia? Shafia, you say you cannot see the screen. Is it true? Can you see this? Can you see the screen now? Okay, I do not know what you're saying, but okay, come. Please try question number 7. Come. All right, well done, Miss Putri and Mr. Raidi. Here we go. We're going to question number 7. That means you're quite okay. Here we go. Do you have a ribbon? There's a ribbon. We do not know how long the ribbon is.
not.
Please, those of you, if you are making noise, please mute yourself lah, so that you will not interrupt the rest. Okay, otherwise it will be noise to us. It's quite painful. Okay, here we go. Because I will put my volume at maximum to be able to hear the softest voice. So suddenly I have, anyway, down here now, this is 1.75. Joe bought a ribbon, used 1.75 meters. The remaining part, she cut into 10 parts. Yes, please. So down here, there's 10 parts, you know. Those of you who are not sure, there's 10 parts here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do not know, you have 10, huh? Probably there's 10, huh? So you have 5 and 10. And each one is 0.25 meters long. So what to do now? You got to find what is the length down here. How to find 0.25 times 10. Now you see, I do not know how to times this. Just shift by 1 decimal place. Shift 1, you get 2.5 meters. And you need to plus 1.75 meters. And when you add together, you will get 5 here. You will get 2 down here, carry 1, 4.25 meters. That's it. If you read the question carefully, you'll be able to understand. The ribbon is so long. She used 1.75 of it, and there's a balance amount. This balance amount is cut into 10 parts. Each part is 0.25. So you take 0.25 times 10, you get this part here. Then you plus by 175. Okay, don't do question 8. But the answer for question number 8, Putri and Farish, you got it really well done. And Raidi, I think. Raidi, yeah. So, okay, we'll move on. I'm focusing only on decimals. If possible, mostly on decimals. Okay, question 11, please. Congratulations, Putri. Very fast. Putri, you have lived up to your name as Putri. You will henceforth be known as the princess. Mr. Farish, you got to check. You have to check, Mr. Farish. Farish, have you taken 40 divided by 20? That means cupcakes buy money. Cannot be. You take money divided by number of cupcakes. You must find. Farish is guessing now. Okay, Farish, let's say if one cupcake is $2 and Putra, so one cupcake is $2, 40 cupcakes is how much? You times by 40, right? You get $80, you know. But this one, 40 cupcakes is only $20. You know what I'm saying? That it's not for, it's not for. Putra also is not for. Those of you who have taken 4, that means you have fallen for the trap. There is a habit inside of you, and this is what I do with many students. I catch the bad habit. What is the bad habit? The bad habit is you believe that bigger numbers must always be divided by smaller numbers. Not true. Last time in primary 1, yes, you learned this. Big divide by small. But in this case, it's not big divide by small. 40 cupcakes cost $20. How to find one cupcake? You must take 20 divided by 40. And then you will get half, which is 50 cents. 50 cents, you know. Okay, if you don't believe, we can reduce now. We reduce to divide by 10. Divide by 10, you get 4 cupcakes. You divide by 10 is $2. Can you see? You divide by 2, 1 cupcake, $1 is for 2 cupcakes. So 1 cupcake is 50 cents. So you want 3 cupcakes, is $1.50 times 3. So those of you who made a mistake here, that means you might have made it a habit of thinking big number divided by small number. You must not do that. Huh? You must look at the question itself. All right, here we go. Let me see. 20% discount. No, we don't go percentage here. Our focus is on, yes, number 12, please. You need to draw a model. Unless you can do like Miss Putri, she can do it mentally. Oh, that's fast. Let's see. I don't think that is correct, Miss Putri. The number has to be bigger than that. If you draw a model, you will be able to see that, Putri. Draw a model. Shafia, kamu pusing-pusing, putar-putar. Where are you now? You're on the chair. You're spinning round and round. I'm observing. Farish is too small, Farish.
I'm eating, so.
Farish is too small. Your answer is too small. Yes, Mr. Raidi. You wanted to say something?
I'm eating.
Eating, carry on, can, no problem. Okay, we are all tempted by you. What are you eating?
I just like
Cat food. Okay. Then what is that? You don't get cat food. Come on. Okay, you all are not drawing the model. If you draw the model, I'll draw the model. Okay. There are. Okay, once you draw the model, you can see. I am going to draw the model, and you can see once and for all. There's a rope, and this rope is cut into 2 pieces. One piece and another piece. And they say that the longer piece is twice the shorter piece. So actually they can divide it into 3 parts. If you want to find the length of the shorter part is just 1 unit. You see 3 units, it's very easy. 3 units, 28.8. Find what is 1 unit and you get the answer. Yes.
What our class in what?
Okay, normally when a student asks for that, he's already bored. Class
No,
will
no,
end
no.
at 20
No, my
minutes.
mother just want to know.
Okay, 20 minutes time, 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock sharp.
Yeah, 7 o'clock sharp, huh? Then next one will be, you put a dot. 18, it is 6 down here. So 9.6 meters. If you don't believe, let us see. There's 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. 9.6 times 3, you will get 28.8. 6 times 3, 18. 9 times 3, 27, 28. 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place. Can you see that? If you draw it, you'll be able to see. So we will want you to do the next one. Huh? Try the next one, okay? On your own. Okay, can you see the next question? I'm not erasing yet in case some of you want to copy the model, which is nothing much to copy. Okay, this one, if you do it all the time, you can do it mentally. Mental. 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 Oh yeah, Farish. Okay, Farish. Yeah, I get what you're saying. Yeah, you got. Yeah, Farish. Well done, Farish. Okay, Putri, you got it. Well done, Putri, you got it. Okay. Come on, Ridey, come on. Chiayo. Some of the madrasah students asking me what is Chiayo. They've never heard Chiayo, no? Faster, huh? Oh, who is that? Congratulations to Miss Putri. She has gotten an answer very quickly. Question number 13. We have done question number. Okay, I'll just erase the thing. Putri is now the fastest student. Okay, don't do 14, Putri. You can do 14, but the rest don't do 14. Question 13, 13. Well done, Ridey. Farish, mistake. Please check. What about the rest? Okay, this method very simple if you're not so sure. Putri, so sorry, it's not that, Putri. Now, 4 oranges, $4.20. You want to get what? You want to get 800. Why don't we go to 8 first? 4 to go to 8, you times by what? Oh, times by 2 lah. Then do the same thing, times by 2. How much is 8 oranges? You times by 2, you get $8.40. Okay, great. Now from 8, you want to go to 800. You need to times by 100. You need to times by 100. So you times by 100 here. And you times by 100. So you will get 840. Not 84. 84 means you times by 10. Times by 100, 1, 2. Because there's 2 zeros, you get 840. Okay, Shalina, well done. Okay, I hope it's okay. You'll get it then. So Putri, you got your answer now, Putri. Putri, you get answer? What's your answer? No, I'm talking about this one, the cube. Not yet. Ridey, you got 250 for the, okay. Later we check that because okay, this one I'm just going through. Please don't copy. Okay, don't copy this one. I'm just explaining to those who have done. The base of the cuboid is a square, so bottom is a square, and this one is 5 and 5. The length and breadth 5 and 5, but they say the height is twice of the length, so the height is 10. So you have 10, right? So that means how do you find the volume? Length times breadth times height now. 5 times 5 times 10. 5 times 5, 25. 25 times 10, 250. Well done, Ridey. Congratulations. Okay. Ridey, don't chonting, Ridey. I love to chonting. Don't.
I was helping you to fill the box.
Oh, thank you very much, but we're not going there. Okay, here we go. Question number 18. 18 only, 18. Just give me a moment and you try 18. Okay. Here we go. Anyone? Wow, someone has gotten an answer. Putri. Let's see whether she's correct. And once again, Miss Putri has proven herself to be the fastest.
Yeah, I also answer.
But your answer is the opposite. Why? Because 200 books, the height is 8.3 meters. You want to find one book. You go don't time.
Sir, it says 8.6, not 8.3.
8.6 meters. So how to find one? You must divide.
Okay, am I correct?
Yes, you are correct. Congratulations. Ah, she started laughing. So guys, come on, you should know what? If 200 books, this is the comparison style. This is now rate, and this is considered rate now 200 books. Okay, BK, BK is book, not Burger King, okay? 8.6. Okay, if you don't like 8.6, you can change it to cm. How to change it to cm? Okay, you can just times this by 100. You get 860 cm. You can also write it like that if you want to. Then you want to find what? You want to find one book. How do you find one book? Divide by 200. So you divide by 200 and say, how I divide by 200? You just put 8.6.
Wait, I just want to answer. Am I correct now?
Yeah, correct. So divide by 200. Now, some of you do not know how to divide by 200. I'll show you how to do it, okay? This 200, you can split to 100 times 2. So what you do, you divide it by 100 first. How to divide by 100? Very simple, watch. 8.6 divided by 100. You shift how many decimal places? There's 2 zeros. Shift 2. 1, 2. Put a dot here, put a 0 here. So now it's 0.086. Then divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Just add the 0 again. And then you got it. Mentally. This is a mental calculation. Well done. All right. Easy enough. Easy, right? But I'm not too sure whether you get it. But if you can't do it, then you can also do it this way. 860 divided by 200. You can also do it, and then later you convert to meters, because this answer is in meters. You must give your answer in meters. Okay, here we go. We have another 12 minutes. Time passes very fast. And no, slower. Then I told you he's bored. He said, no, I'm not bored. I'm not bored. I'm not asking the time. Yeah, okay. Let us see. If it's true, serious. If it's true, he won't be able to control himself. When I snap my fingers, he will laugh.
Wait.
He said, laugh already. Okay, we try. Serious. One. Serious, huh? Okay, why this always happens? Okay, we try the next one. Amanda, yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
You look in my eye.
I look in your eye.
Come, you look.
Oh, okay.
I am Thanos.
Okay, come. Come.
Sure.
Yeah.
Specs or what?
Yeah, only for reading. I make sure that I take care of my eyes. And how do I do that? Every time once your eyes feel tired, you look at far things. Then your eyesight can last long. I can read without my specs actually. But sometimes it's easier to read with specs. Yeah.
What's the degree?
This one is very low. I do not know.
How much? 100?
Maybe 100.
I'm more higher than you.
Yeah, that's right. No, what you do, if you are so used to specs all the time, your eyes will get weaker and weaker. It's like those people on the who don't walk, they ride that bike, that wheel, the motorized wheelchair. You be like that, no? You don't practice. Let us see who is this now. Yes, please go. Okay, please go to the toilet. Okay, let us see now. Okay, we read through quietly first. We think. Let me see. I will start drawing my model. I won't say anything. You can see whether you can get help from here. Just a moment. Sorry, Miss Poetry. You can only divide when the three parts is the same. Do you take 1 and 8 minus 30 and minus this one? Then you divide by 3. You can see these two are the same. This one is not the same. You only can divide between 3 equal parts. Go, 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 Mr. Akil. Go. Why is he gonna do? Wait for me lah. You understand, Miss Putri, what I'm talking about? I show you. I just draw one more line.
Oh, I get it. Can I have to draw again?
Okay.
Is my answer correct?
Okay, let me check. Hold on. Yes, well done. Now,
Congrats.
Adik was always cheering, but show lah, Adik, that you can do, Adik. I don't need to show. I'm Mr. Handsome.
Go, there.
Huh?
Abang, go kerja. Annoying.
Hey, come. What about Ridey? You understand, Ridey? Okay, I'm gonna just explain this part a little bit, okay? So now, who's that? Oh, that boy is playing. You don't know what? Okay, here we go. The whole cost is $188. Yes, well done, Farish. Well done, Farish again. For a dress, a jacket, and a B is what, bag. The dress is the cheapest, so I let it be 1 unit. The jacket, well, the dress costs $30.50 less than jacket. That means the jacket is $30.50 more. So that's why I put down here. And then they say the bag costs $22 more than the jacket. So jacket starts from here, right? It stops on here, right? Jacket. So at 22.80. So first step is you take 188.80 minus this, but don't forget this part here, you know. You also need to minus this $30.50. You need to minus this. Why? Why you need to minus? I show you now. Watch. You minus 188.80. You minus this one. You minus this one. But you must also minus. Okay, this one will disappear. So I better draw. Something. I better draw down here. Alamak. Sorry. I better draw. One moment. I better draw this. You must understand this. You cannot just minus anyhow, you know. You must make sure. Now I'm gonna erase now. You must minus 30.5 or so. Why? You can only divide when you have equal parts. Just now, if you didn't minus this last part out here, 30.5, it's not equal. When you divide something by how many parts, they must be equal. Okay, you get it, huh? So now when you minus, you divide by 3, you get $35. So I show you now the working step by step. Huh? Okay, now we undo all this so that you can see the, okay. So 188 minus 22.8 minus 30.5 minus 30.5, you get your answer. Divide by, your answer is, you will get 105. Then 105 divide by 3. Then you will get 35. Okay now. Okay, we got another 20 minutes more, and then we will. I think here we go. We move on to the next one. Huh?
Oh, we only have 3 more minutes actually, teacher.
But Putra wants us to go a little bit longer.
I want. What you say?
Putra says he wants it to be longer, little bit. No,
I cannot hear you.
Okay, I say you are just a wonderful guy. I wish that we can spend a little longer time doing tuition.
So sweet.
Huh? So sweet. Why is it so sweet? Okay, the last two questions. Let me see.
Come on, right?
Okay lah, you're sweet lah, you're sweet. Okay, Farish, what are you doing? I want you to praise me every time I write answer. Okay, well done, Farish. Well done, Farish. Well done, Farish. Hey, who is that? What happened? Adik,
Huh?
how come you mute yourself lah? Otherwise, we can hear everything in the background. All the secrets are happening, you can hear. What's your adik's name, Putri? Is it also Putri?
Emilia.
Camilla, Putri Camilla. Is she like a real princess like yourself?
No.
No. Wow. Okay. Okay, Riley has given an answer. Let us see what is what about the rest, huh? Raji, your answer is please check. Nearest 1,000. No, this is not nearest 10,000. Number 1, please check.
Number 1. Oh wait, sorry, sir. I never saw.
Farish, well done. Shalina, well done. Riley, well done. Farish, well done. How many times you answer lah?
So what you want? What you want?
What do you mean what I want? I want
No,
you to do,
ask me to teacher want you to unmute. Yeah.
I want you to go for ear check. Something is wrong with your ears. Come, do this one, question 1 and 2. Wow.
Sure.
My ears is still in good condition.
It's already 7 o'clock.
Okay, so you run through, huh? Very, very. Here we go. Sheila, the girl is so sleepy already. Nearest 1,000. So we ask Putra, which one is in 1,000 space? Well done, Shalina.
Sure, time's up.
Go down here. Okay. Look at the next one. Do you plus 1? No. What happened?
My head not the door.
So down here is 18400. Righty, don't think lah, righty. Okay. So it's going to show us. Okay, that means make sure that the number of digits is the same. So there's 3. Now you make it 4. Hey, Righty, what are you doing, Righty? You're messing it up. Okay, here we go. There's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So make it 3. Make it 3. Okay, you need to use a smaller nib. Okay, down here, 500, 540, 415, 504. So 13,540 is correct. Is the biggest. All right, we'll see each other again next week. I hope you enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum. Take care.
Bye-bye.